hike up the lagoon, which is apparently sacred. We're starting the hike. The fog is going to come in half an hour till 1 hour the most. As you can probably hear, I'm out of breath. I'm happy I didn't go for Santa Maria today. I'm just preparing myself for the challenges that those days will bring me. We got to the mirador, a bit sweaty. We are officially on 2,834 meters. Clouds are coming in, and then soon it will be all covered up. Oh, mystic. Just like Scotland. We are going on a path further to the new hike of the south coast, and it's becoming like a fairy tale. I think I'm getting bitten by some mosquitoes.
I have outside.
You are very prepared. Are you German?
Like
this. Oh, I think there are people camping. You can actually camp here, but you're not allowed to swim. And there are a lot of people that are just giving offerings because this lake is a sacred lake. And there are some locals walking around and crying, and we are just ignoring them completely and eating our snack. Tourists.
oh wow, that's way cooler than what I did.
The lake is making different noises, and we don't know what it is. Loch Ness from the lagoon. It's so misty. It could be Scotland. We were just saying that it was quite nice to see the mist and the fog kind of closing in. Not just a sunny day over the lake. Local people are doing this engaging photography maybe. Those are the flowers for the offerings. There's someone playing reggaeton music in the middle of the lagoon. So there are a few hikes around Xela. Some of them are easy to do by yourself, some of them are not that easy to do. Some people recommend taking a guide. Should I do Santa Maria alone? Should I bring my camera with me? Should I bring my phone with me?